Today we're gonna show you how to cook spring roll. Oh, spring roll. You get this in every Asian market. We got this organic Asian pancake. It's almost like pizza. So you put in a heated pan, no oil needed. You just swirl like this so it cooks evenly. Then when you start to flip, just go up, down, and flip. Perfect. Perfect. This is perfect. You see the golden crust? This is gonna be one good pan. One good pancake. Just swirl. Check the other side. Perfect. And that's it. Serve and eat. Real crispy. This is the stuff Asians love to eat in the morning and as a dessert.